Luxury living, beachfront access, and the natural beauty of Tankah Bay, Tulum, Casa Tres Palmeras offers it all. Let's take a tour. So this is the main entrance. Now let's take a look inside. Once you step inside this house, you immediately notice this open concept living area, perfect to receive friends and family. With 5,000 square foot, this home is perfectly designed for entertaining and gathering. This large glass window lets enter a lot of natural light and will offer you breathtaking views of the Caribbean Ocean. Here, you can find this beautiful and astonishing swimming pool, which is the perfect place to take a dip on a warm day like today. Right here, you have this beautiful Caribbean palapa, the perfect spot also to relax, read a book, and enjoy this beautiful view. Each of the 4 bedrooms features its own ensuite bathroom, offering privacy and comfort for you and your guests. Whether it's a family vacation or a getaway with the friends, everyone will feel right at home. With a private beachfront access, you can step directly into this hot and warm white sand and enjoy one of the best beaches in all of Mexico. This area is not just beautiful, guys. This is also a sea turtle nesting area, allowing you to witness this beautiful phenomenon from May to September. For the adventure seeker, the surrounding area offers a wealth of activity. Directly off the beach, you can go diving, snorkeling, or fishing. If you're a nature lover, the surrounding cenotes are the perfect spot for kayaking or paddleboarding. And if you are into the history and you want to discover the Mayan culture, thanks to its location, you're very close by to these historical sites that are Tulum and Coba. Casa Tres Palmeras truly offers the best of both worlds, luxury and nature, making it the perfect holiday home or investment property. So guys, don't waste any more time. Contact us today for more information. This was Maxime from Mexico Real Estate Group. Thank you for watching.